how to install TikTok app on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this upon informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. If you want to install the TikTok application on your iPhone, just like I do, then this is what you need to do to install TikTok on iPhone. Go ahead and open the App Store. From your App Store, click on the search button at the bottom right. Now, click on Search Games, App, Stories, and more. Go ahead and type TikTok. So once you type the TikTok application, you should see the TikTok app up from the suggestions. So make sure you type TikTok and then click on it. Now hang on, you should see the TikTok app appears from the search result. Click on it once and then click on Get. Instead of Update, you just need to go ahead and click on Get. Once you click on that, this is going to start to download the TikTok application on your iPhone, and once it is done, it's going to install the TikTok application on your iPhone. So that's basically how to download and install TikTok app on iPhone. If you found this upon informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.